Hello everyone, welcome to Santoshi's kitchen. Today I'm going to make Gobi Manchurian. Heat water in a pot and bring it to a boil. Once the water starts to boil, add 2 cups of cauliflower florets and switch off the heat. After 3 minutes, remove the cauliflower florets from the hot water and keep it aside. Take a bowl and add half cup of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon plain yogurt. Add water little by little and make a thick batter. Add the blanched cauliflower into the batter. Heat oil in a wok. When the oil is hot, dip the cauliflower florets in the batter and add it into the oil. Deep fry the cauliflower florets until they turn golden brown in color. Heat a wide pan and add 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add 3 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, and 1 cup of finely chopped onion. Cook the contents in medium heat for 3 minutes. Add half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon powdered black pepper, 2 tablespoons chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Saute the contents in medium heat for 2 minutes. Mix 1 tablespoon cornstarch with 1/4 cup water and add the mixture into the pan. Add the golden fried cauliflower into the pan and coat it with the sauce. Garnish with some freshly chopped scallions. Thank you for watching my video. Santoshi's Kitchen is dedicated to empowering everyone to cook.